Samsung is set to shake up the foldable phone market once again with its upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7. Just yesterday, a major leak from OwnLeaks revealed the phone's design, taking the tech world by surprise. According to the leak, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will feature a cover display that spans the entire upper portion of the device, integrating seamlessly with the rear cameras. This design is quite similar to what we've seen with the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. However, at that time, we didn't have any details about the actual size of this display. That changed today thanks to industry analyst Ross Young. He confirmed that the outer display of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will measure an impressive 4.05 inches. That's a 19% increase over the 3.4-inch display found on its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 6. With this upgrade, the Flip 7 officially takes the crown for the largest cover display ever seen on a clamshell foldable phone, surpassing even the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Earlier this week, leaks from OwnLeaks and Android headlines suggested that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 would feature a nearly identical design to the Flip 6. This was disappointing for fans hoping for a major redesign or a significantly larger cover display. However, just a day later, a revised version of the design was revealed, confirming that Samsung is indeed making big changes by introducing a full cover display. Beyond just aesthetics, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to pack some serious hardware upgrades. Leaks suggest that it will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, ensuring top-tier performance. Additionally, the phone is rumored to house a 4,300 mAh battery, which is larger than the one found in the Flip 6. These improvements, combined with the expanded cover display, could make the Flip 7 the most feature-rich clamshell foldable in Samsung's lineup to date. While Samsung is making big strides with the Flip 7, there's also buzz surrounding its other upcoming foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Leaked images appear to show a side-by-side comparison of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and what is believed to be a prototype of the Fold 7. Samsung has been facing stiff competition in the foldable market, with many Chinese brands offering sleeker, more refined designs. In response, the South Korean tech giant appears to be stepping up its game. At the recent Mobile World Congress, MWC, Samsung showcased a foldable phone alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6. While the company never explicitly confirmed that this device was the Fold 7, industry insiders believe that it may have been displaying the screen technology intended for the upcoming model. The most notable feature of this mysterious foldable was its creaseless display. While foldable screens have always had visible creases due to their complex design, Samsung seems to have significantly reduced this issue. The crease on this prototype was barely noticeable, marking a major improvement over previous generations. However, just because Samsung showcased a nearly creaseless display doesn't necessarily mean that it's ready for commercial production. It is certainly a step in the right direction, giving users more functionality without having to open the phone. Meanwhile, the Fold 7's potential improvements in design and display quality could help Samsung maintain its foothold in the foldable market. As we get closer to the official launch, more details are expected to emerge. Will Samsung's latest foldables be enough to reclaim its dominance in the market? Stay tuned as we continue to bring you the latest updates on these highly anticipated devices. Today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you'd never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.